This is how China churns out 250 tractors a day, shipping them to over 100 countries. It all starts inside this colossal manufacturing base, where robotic arms press massive steel plates into body panels with a single powerful strike. The raw metal then undergoes a meticulous process of electrophoretic coating, primer, color, and clear coats, giving it a mirror-like finish built to last. While the body is being perfected, plasma cutters are precisely shaping the steel skeleton. The main beams and the driver's cabin frame are constructed simultaneously. Once the frame is ready, it moves to a semi-automated assembly line where nearly 100 engineers work in perfect sync to install components like the panoramic windshield, sensors, and lighting. Next comes the heart of the machine, the engine. This factory produces its own powerful 6-cylinder engines. Engineers carefully lay down steel gaskets, clean the contact surfaces, and use a crane to lower the heavy cylinder head into place. The bolts are tightened in a 2-step process by different technicians, a crucial detail ensuring long-term durability under extreme stress. But assembly is only half the story. Every single engine is then moved to a dedicated testing cell. Here, specialists monitor its torque, temperature, and performance parameters in real time to guarantee it meets exacting standards. With a certified engine, the main assembly begins. The transmission, featuring modern power, shifting technology, is joined with the rear axle. This entire powertrain is then married to the main chassis to protect it from rust and damage. The whole structure is sent into a sealed chamber for a comprehensive paint job. Finally, on the main line, hundreds of workers swarm the machine, each responsible for a specific task, installing hydraulics, and finally, lowering the completed driver's cabin onto the frame. The final touch is adding the massive wide-body rubber tires, whose deep treads give the tractor its incredible grip in muddy fields. But it is not ready yet. Every completed tractor undergoes a battery of tests, from steering smoothness to power output. The most grueling is the long-term endurance test, where a tractor is run for a year or more on a brutal test rig, simulating a lifetime of bumps and strain to identify any potential weaknesses. This relentless pursuit of quality is what allows these machines to conquer fields all over the world.